A very good morning to one and all. On behalf of Organizing Committee, I, Dr. Archana Savarkar, welcome you all in this gracious event of inaugural function of 3 days national level e-workshop on disaster management preparedness, which is organized by Principal Brigade Disaster Management Club of Sri RLT College of Science, Akola, in collaboration with Department of Lifelong Learning and Extension, Santa Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati, and Akola District Disaster Management Unit. In order to witness this inaugural ceremony, we have with us as chairperson of program Honorable Advocate Moti Singhji Mohta sir, President, the Berar General Education Society, Akola, Dr. Murlidhar Chandekar sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati, as an inaugurator, Dr. Shrikant Patil sir, Director, Department of Lifelong Learning and Extension, Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Shri Pawan Maheshwari sir, Honorable Secretary, the BGE Society Akola, our Principal and Convener of this workshop, Dr. Vijay Nanoti sir, Organizing Secretary of the workshop, Dr. Sudhir Kochade sir, our advisor, Organizing Committee members, and all dear participants. I again welcome you all from the bottom of my heart. Friends, with the aim and objective to reduce potential losses from hazard and assure prompt and appropriate assistance to victims of disaster to achieve rapid, effective recovery and preparedness, we have organized this workshop under the theme No Disaster, No Disaster. I request Honorable Principal Dr. Vijay Nanoti sir to deliver welcome address of the event.
Team, Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Murlidharji Chandekar sir, Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Honorable Dr. Shrikant Patil sir, Director, Department of Lifelong Learning and Extension, Honorable Advocate M.G. Mohta sir, President of the BGE Society, Honorable Sri Pawanji Maheshwari sir, Secretary, BGE Society, Akola, all the executive members of the BGE Society, our organizing team, Dr. Sudhir Kochade, who is the organizing secretary, Dr. Archana Savarkar madam, Mr. Shailendra Madavi, Mr. Sankesh Dhaite, Dr. Samadhan Munde, and all the members of the organizing team, all the members of teaching staff and non-teaching staff, and all the participants, delegates in this participated in this 3 days national level e-workshop on disaster management preparedness. At the outset, I welcome on behalf of our college, RLT College of Science and DMC Club of our college. We have organized this 3 days event from 27th of today 27th of June up to 29th of June 2020, and this is in collaboration with the Department of Lifelong Learning and Extension as well as District Collector Office and DMC Disaster Management Club of unit of our college. I am very happy to say that our Disaster Management Club, this unit, is conducting several activities during last academic year. Also, we have conducted different activities, and our unit is one of the best unit in our university. Also participated in the state level event, and today we are facing the problem of COVID-19. As you know, it is a pandemic disease. All over the world, different countries, many people are affected by this disease. So the management we are doing about the controlling of this disease, and we are facing the lockdown condition from last 3 months. And during these 3 months, our college has conducted different activities, online activities. So this is also the e-workshop on disaster management preparedness. As you know, that it is a need of the hour that all the people must be educated about the disaster, to give the education about the disaster. Disaster may come at any time. There may be earthquake, there may be accident, there may be onset of any disease. So in order to control, in order to manage such type of the disaster, there must be awareness, people must be educated, right? And taking into consideration this point, our college has taken the initiative to conduct this 3 days national level e-workshop on disaster management preparedness. I am happy that a large number of the participants joined this workshop and giving a very good feedback. Now, during these 3 days of this workshop, we'll be happy after getting the responses. So we have tried to conduct these different lectures, video lectures on this particular theme, and during the last day we'll get a feedback that will be encouraging and will give a line of action for our disaster management club to conduct the activities in future. So once again, I welcome you all here and giving my best wishes for this 3 days workshop. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. You are always our source of inspiration and motivation. Thank you very much. Dreams can come true if you have the courage to pursue them. Hear it from one whose dreams have always been longer than life. I request Dr. Shrikant Patil, sir, Director, Department of Lifelong Learning and Extension, HJB Amravati University, Amravati, for introductory remark of the national workshop.
3 days national level e-workshop on disaster management preparedness. Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Muralidhar Chandekar sir, Sant Gadge Baba, Amravati University, Amravati. Honorable Advocate M.G. Mohta sir, President of the BGE Society, Akola. Shri Pavanji Maheshwari, Secretary of the BGE Society, Akola. Dr. V.D. Nanoti sir, Principal, RLT College, Akola. Dr. Sudhir Bhotale, all organizing committee members of this workshop and dear participants. I am very happy to organize these types of disaster management preparedness workshop, because this was the need of today's disaster. It has been seen mostly that the children and women are more sensitive to disaster. Therefore, today I am sharing the importance of disaster management through this my speech. Now you know that the disaster is only 3 types, or generally including in that is a terrorist attack, that is the 4 types. We see that our fire, our flood, our earthquake, and this is newly a terrorist attack. Now again one attack is super cyclone attack. Now this we all considering that in lockdown period we are very panic. All people are very panic and they don't know about that. This is the most again disaster come, that is we call as a COVID-19, that is Corona. Now good medical measure should be taken by each person, and children should work wisely to give them emotional support to their parents. The disaster management staff has the training to do rescue tasks efficiently. Trained professional building can save people successfully during collapse, flood or major fire or these types of the newly disaster, we can call it COVID-19, that is corona, and again like this terrorist attack. Now it is important to cooperate with the civil disaster management team and control your emotions. More often people feel neglected by the authority and respond to the disaster management team. However, the team helps provide relief measures to the victims. They arrange food, medicine, relief camps, clothes and other essential items. If they get support from the people, then they will increase their morale because they work without stopping in such situations. Being disaster of Department of Lifelong Learning Extension, I thought preparedness or pre-activity can be done by this situation, just like we say prevention is better than cure. Preparedness is best remedy with approach of Sri RLT College of Science, disaster management team. During this lockdown situation, it's better event to organize. I also thank to Dr. Principal Nanoti sir to organize such types of event in the science college, because our some rescue operation will be carried out. The science student know about the sometimes better than the arts and commerce student. I don't disagree, because the science student are very helpful to doing these types of activity. Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University also established a disaster management unit in the campus. I hope this unit will be in short period of time. It will be open as a learning resource center for students and benefited for the society. My best wishes to all participants of this workshop on disaster management. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir, for your influential message. Actually, the event is a brainchild of Dr. Sudhir Kochade, Coordinator, Principal Brigade Disaster Management Club of our college. I invite Dr. Sudhir Kochade, Organizing Secretary of this national workshop.
A warm good morning to one and all. Respected dignitaries, Honorable Advocate Moti Singh Jamota sir, President, the Berar General Education Society Akola, Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Murlidharji Sandekar sir, Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University Amravati, Dr. Shrikant Patil sir, Director of Department of Lifelong Learning and Extension, our Honorable Secretary Shri Pawanji Maheshwari sir, our beloved Principal Dr. V.D. Nanoti sir, Dr. Archana Savarkar Madam, Joint Organizing Secretary, who is conducting this program very beautifully. Our members, Professor Shailendra Maravi, Professor Shankesh Saite, Dr. Samadhan Munde sir, dear friends. Friends, let me tell you, this disaster today is a widespread event affecting the human society. Disaster can be man-made like terrorism or natural. The same has been experienced by the people from the ages. Although the nature of natural calamity varies, but it is great challenge for the society. Despite caste, creed, culture, country, etc., according to this World Disaster Report, the number of disaster is growing very rapidly and very rapidly. People are becoming more susceptible to the disaster. In the event of disaster, appropriate preparation is necessary for the management of any sort of disaster. Friends, we know the present scenario of COVID-19. We know again cyclone. Presently, we suffered with the problem of cyclone. We suffered with the problem of earthquake and all. This disaster management preparedness workshop definitely will help you in order to tackle with any situations of disasters. Friends, I'm very happy to tell you above 1,000 participants are registered for this workshop. Even some members of NDRF, they have joined with this workshop to solve our queries or the problems whatever we will get. Definitely, after this workshop, you will be ready to tackle with any type of situation related to this disaster. Friends, let me tell you that well-known resource person from all over India, they have given their consent and they are delivering their lectures, and I assure you that you will definitely get the benefit of this workshop. This workshop, I must thank to Honorable Advocate Moti Singh Ji Mohta sir, our President. I must thank Honorable Vice Chancellor sir, Dr. Shrikant Patil sir especially. I must thank Honorable Secretary Shri Pawan Ji Maheshwari sir, our beloved Principal Dr. V.D. Nanoti sir, and my whole organizing committee. And with these words, I end here saying thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Definitely, training proves to be the key ingredient to handling any disaster, and we will do it. Now, let us have the pleasure of listening to the opening remark by Dr. Murlidhar Chandekar sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati. Sir, may I request you for inaugural address and to make the announcement of inauguration of this 3 days national level e-workshop on disaster management preparedness. Dr. Murlidhar Chandekar sir. Thank you, sir. We are honored by your presence on this occasion. Sir, thank you so much. Now, I request Mr. Pawan Maheshwari sir, Honorable Secretary of our Parent Society, the BGA Society, to grace the occasion with your valuable word. Honorable Pawan Maheshwari sir.
A very good morning to all of you. I welcome Dr. M.G. Chandekar sir, Vice Chancellor, Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati, Advocate Moti Singh Ji Mohta, President, the Berar General Education Society, Akola, Dr. Shrikant Patil, Director, Lifelong Learning Extension, Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Dr. V.D. Nanoti, Principal, RLT Science College, Akola, and all participants to this national level e-workshop on disaster management preparedness. Today, entire world is facing the problem of COVID-19, which has put our lives on a full stop. This shows how important it is to be prepared for any calamity. Disaster management will help us to avoid such incidences in future, to increase public awareness, which will reduce the severity of such disasters, to educate common man about measures to be taken during any disaster. Such precautionary measures will help to minimize the losses during the calamity. Apart from natural disasters, human-made disasters have increased after World War II. The disaster management team mainly helps people to bring back life to normalcy in shortest possible time. Apart from giving necessary first aid, they also provide temporary shelters, necessary commodities, and create friendly relations with the people. We will discuss all these points in detail during this 3-day e-workshop. I congratulate Dr. Sudhir Kochale and his entire team who have taken efforts in organizing this e-workshop. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your words of appreciation. Friends, good people are like street light along the road. They do not make the distance short, but they light up the path and make the walk easy and safe. We are lucky to have such a person as a chairperson of this inaugural ceremony. I request Honorable Advocate Moti Singh Ji Mohta sir for presidential address. Honorable Mohta sir.
Good morning to one and all. I, Advocate Moti Singh Mohta, President of the Berar General Insurance Society, Akola, congratulate you all who are participating in this e-workshop on the very important subject, that is the disaster management preferences. And I think in these hard days of the nation and entire world, the disaster management and its knowledge, its awareness is very important. I congratulate Sri Chandekar sir, who is the Vice Chancellor of the Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. I also congratulate Sri Shrikantji Patil, Convener of the and Director of the Lifelong Learning and Extension. I also congratulate all the participants who are taking part in this e-conference. I also congratulate my principal, Sri V.D. Nanoti sir, and his entire team, Sri Sudhir Kochale sir, Archana Savarkar madam, Shailendra Madavi, and Zaite sir, and Samadhan Munde sir. In the year 2015, in our college, the principal and his brigade formed a club and working till creating awareness and mass education in the rural and urban area for the disasters and its management. So far as weather reason is concerned, here main disaster is of a flood and fire. However, if we consider the entire country, then earthquake, flood, and other so many natural calamities which are creating very much disasters, and which in which many people lost their life. So these students, the youngsters, should aware of the disasters and how it is to be managed, how we can save the life, how we can save the property, how we can help the needy persons, those who are unfortunately found in the disasters or any kind of national calamities. It is demand and of the time that everybody should be ready with the help to the needy persons who are found in the disasters, and it should be how to help them it should be aware to the every person, every youngsters, because youngsters is the backbone of the nation. And in such circumstances, if maximum youngsters know how to manage the disaster, in that circumstances they can make aware the other peoples, they can help the needy persons, and they can organize such type of camps in the public, in rural area and in urban area. They can demonstrate how to help the needy persons, how to prevent the disasters. In such circumstances, I think that this workshop is very helpful to the youngsters. Our college is a very old college in the Vidarbha region. Recently, we completed 50 years of our establishment of our college. And being a science college, the students are very much busy with their studies. However, our team, principal and other his colleagues are taking very much pains, very much efforts, and they formed a very good team of disaster management. And every year, I think 30 students are participating in this group. And every year, these students are changed. In such circumstances, large number of students are now having well knowledge how to prevent the disasters. In such circumstances, I first of all congratulate you all who are participated in this webinar or e-workshop. And I think that these 3 days e-workshop on 27 to 29th June 2020 may be helpful to all the participants. They may learn much more. They may interact with each other. They may share their experience with each other. And in such circumstances, their knowledge will be helpful for them in their future life, in the life of the nation, and in the life of the world. In such circumstances, I really congratulate to the university, Amravati University. I really thankful to Chandekar sir and Sri Patil sir that they have given opportunity to us to organize this e-workshop. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We are really blessed with your motivating word. Thanks are the highest form of thoughts, and that gratitude is happiness doubled by wonder. So, I invite Mr. Shailendra Madavi sir to propose vote of thanks.
A very good morning to all of you. Today, on the occasion of inaugural function of 3 days national workshop on disaster management preparedness, I am Shailendra Madavi, present here to propose a vote of thanks. So first of all, I would like to thank the president of today's function, Advocate Shri M.G. Mohta sir, the president, the Berar General Education Society Akola, for giving us an opportunity and encouragement to organize this workshop. Thank you, sir. I am also thankful to inaugurator of today's workshop, Dr. M.G. Chandekar sir, Vice Chancellor of Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati, for giving us a platform and opportunity to organize this workshop. Thank you very much, sir. I am again thankful to our convener, Dr. Shrikant Patil sir, the Director, Lifelong Learning and Extension, Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati, for giving us an encouragement and valuable support. I must like to thank
Dr. V.D. Nanuti sir.
I must say thank you to Dr. V.D. Nanuti sir, Principal Shri RLT College of Science, Akola, for giving us an encouragement and opportunity and valuable guidance for organization of this e-workshop. Again, I am also thankful to organizing secretary, Dr. Sudhir Pochade sir, for organizing this e-workshop. Here, I must say thanks to Joint Secretary Dr. Archana Savarkar ma'am for excellent conduction and organization of this workshop. I am again thankful to Mr. Sankesh Jhaite sir and Dr. Samadhan Munde sir for taking very much efforts to organize this workshop. And last but not least, I am thankful to all the participants for present here in the inauguration ceremony. Thank you very much.
Once again, I thank you all for your attention. Now, in next 3 days, we have to learn and enjoy with a galaxy of resource person. We need your support to make this event memorable and fantastic. So stay with us. Happy workshop. Thank you.